Hi guys, good evening. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Okada, Manila. So one of the known establishment hotel and casino. Okay, this is the Pearl Wing Garden of Okada, Manila. So stunning, ganda dito guys. Ang ganda ng chandelier nila dito. So susunod na ako dito. Alam nyo guys, dito sa Okada, Manila, kahit wala kang pera, para kang mayaman. Mapapawaw ka talaga. So maganda dito pag may kasama ka, pamilya, barkada. And the interior design of this building is very Instagrammable, very unique, so stunning. And sa katunayan mo, yung mga sikat na content creator, vlogger, so dito po sila nag-awarding. So maganda po talaga dito. And aside from that, one of the central attraction of Okada, Manila is the Fontaine. And if I'm not mistaken, at exactly 7 PM, will be started to open after. Pero nahuli na kami for this video. Come and visit Okada, Manila. Thank you.